isn't just about answering questions or following prompts anymore. Unified AI agents are taking things to the next level. They think, plan, and act like a team of digital experts working together to help you get the stuff done. At the heart of it, a unified AI agent system is made up of multiple smaller agents, each with its own job. One might handle scheduling, another might analyze data, another might write content. These agents talk to each other, share memory, and collaborate to reach a common goal. There is usually a main agent called the orchestrator that runs the show. It decides who does what and when. This makes everything more efficient than using just one chatbot or assistant. There are three big reasons why unified agents are so powerful. Modularity. See, each agent is like a plug and play block. You can add, remove, or swap agents depending on what you need. Orchestration, it's like their leader, A central controller keeps everything organized, making sure the agents work together smoothly and efficiently. Interoperability, these agents, can connect across different platforms, tools, and apps. They're built to operate in the real world, not just in isolated systems. You can already see them in action. For example, Salesforce uses them to handle customer service and sales tasks. Microsoft is building agents into tools like Office and Teams to help with writing, planning, and organizing. Open source projects like AutoGen let developers spin up their own agent teams with just a few lines of code. What makes these agents special is that they don't just do one thing. They can pull in information, make decisions, learn from feedback, and adapt. They're more like teammates than tools. This is a big shift. Unified agents don't just respond, man. They remember, plan, act, and even grow over time. They work with you, not just for you. Start AI that truly understands what you're trying to do, adapts to the situation, and helps you solve real problems. From business to healthcare to education, unified AI agents are becoming a key part of how we work. I'm thinking of real estate, just an idea. Because if you get them to work properly together, if you program them, then you can make a lot of money in real estate. It just came into my mind, So you won't just be using AI, you'll be teaming up with it. These agents will help you think smarter, move faster, and create more. They're not science fiction anymore. They're already here, and they're just getting started. So, how do you see AI agents fitting into your life or work? Anyway, drop your thoughts into the comment section. Let's talk about where this is all heading. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more on how AI is changing the world. See ya!